Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own protein bars. Just kidding. I'm going to show you guys how I made this protein bar dispenser to hold my Built bars. Alright, so we started with a scrap piece of plywood. It's about 2 feet long, 1.5 feet wide. And I cut down two 2.5-inch strips and a 5.5-inch strip. Then I cut these down to the two side pieces, the two 2.5-inch pieces, to 10 inches. And then the 5.5-inch wide piece I cut down to 9.25. And then I cut a smaller piece, which was 2.5 as well, for the bottom of my box. Alright, next I took all the pieces and I did a dry fit just to make sure that everything was going to assemble together well. Originally I had these little other wood pieces that I was going to use as the faces, and then later on I switched over to a metal sheet. Then here I took the two side pieces and I clamped them together as tight as I could so that they wouldn't move around, and then I took a wood drill bit and cut a hole, and I put them together so that the hole would be exactly in the same height and the same distance on both of them. And this will be the little hole where your fingers slide in so you can pull out the bar. Next I took wood glue and assembled everything together, and I used 2 clamps to clamp everything down and let it dry. So this took about a couple of hours of just dry time. After a couple of hours I came back, took the clamps off, and I took the Porter cable finish nailer and I put a couple nails in it just to make sure that everything was holding on. Oops, I had a little nail come out at the bottom and I cut it off. Next I took the aluminum sheet. It's a 1x1 with a pattern that I got. This costs about $8 at Home Depot, and I had it laying around in my office, so I bent it in the shape that I needed. Originally I was going to try to go all the way around, but that didn't really work out, so I just decided to find some scissors and cut it. So in hindsight I wouldn't have bent it all up, but I had already bent it, so we cut it out, cut the rectangle out. Then I measured how far up I needed, marked, and cut that out so it would fit exactly on my wood. Alright, after making sure that was going to fit, I took some Minwax Express color that I had in the shop just laying around. This is on sale on Amazon for about $8 too, last time I checked. And this is the oak color. They have a bunch of different colors. It's just a wiping stain. And so I just went all the way around the plywood, wanted to kind of see the grain in the edges. Alright, once that was done, we set that to the side, let it dry. Then we came back for about a couple hours and we took the metal sheet. I used some Gorilla construction adhesive, and I'm gonna put this all on the edges of the metal in hopes that it would help keep the metal down. And then I took the porter cable and I put a couple nails in. I had to adjust the depth on this because the first couple of times it went through when I tried it on another piece of the metal. But I took the little nail driver and I drove everything in. And that was it. And I put my built bars inside so you can check them out. Finished product. Built puffs. It was good. Finally got one hand. This is only 130 calories. Tastes like chocolate marshmallow. It is chocolate marshmallow. It only has 13 grams of carbs. Only 6 grams of sugar. And 16 grams of protein, guys. Built bar. And then you can build one of these. So you can put all your built bars into there. It took about an hour. Built puffs. If you don't know who Built Bar is, they sent us out these new Built Puffs, and these are only around for a limited time. This is a protein marshmallow covered in chocolate. It's delicious. They also carry protein bars and gel energy. If you haven't checked them out, go to builtbar.com and you can see everything that they carry. It's delicious. And if you use the code BB20, you get an extra 10% off when you go to builtbar.com. So check them out, guys. Try out the Built Puffs. Limited time only. 3 flavors: strawberry marshmallow, vanilla marshmallow, and coconut marshmallow. Strawberry is delicious. I haven't tried these yet. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video this week. Remember, if you like the video, if you want to see more videos in the future, hit that like, hit that subscribe down below, and turn your notifications on so you can see anytime we post a new video. Couple things on this. If I redid it, I probably wouldn't use the metal. It looks nice, but sometimes the bars, the little wrappers get stuck on here, so I probably would just use like a 1/4 inch wood, or maybe even a plastic piece. Maybe I'll make another one. But other than that, it real simple to make. It took about an hour. So see you guys next week. These are good. Alright. I was waiting to finish the video so I could try them. These are delicious. I'm not gonna eat all of these. I'm not gonna share these with my wife. BuiltBar.com. Promo code BB20 for 10% off. Alright guys? Check them out. Limited time only.